Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to find the sum of the square of these two big numbers, 3111 square plus 2889 square. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let me go ahead and tweak this number inside this parentheses. This could be written as 3000 plus 111. And likewise, this number inside this parentheses could be written as minus 111, as you can see in this next step. And now let's recall this famous identity a plus b whole square. And likewise, let's recall this identity a minus b whole square as well. Now let's go ahead and add these two equations on the left hand side. This could be written as a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to, on the right hand side, this negative 2ab and positive 2ab, they are gone. So we ended up with the 2a square plus 2b square. And on the right hand side, we can factor out this 2. So this could be written as 2 times a square plus b square. Now let me go ahead and call this 3000 as our a and this 111 as a b and this 111 our b. Then we can apply this formula to that one. So this could be written as, in our case, 2 times a in our case is 3000 whole square, and then plus b in our case is 111 whole square. And now let's focus on this 3000 whole square. As you can see, 3000 whole square could be written as 3000 times 3000. So therefore, this 3000 square turns out to be 9 million. Plus, now let's focus on this 111 square. And now we can see 111 square is same as 111 times 111. And here's the rule when we are multiplying such kind of numbers. Let me give you first example, 11 times 11. Since we are dealing with the two digits, no wonder we are going to put 2 in the middle. It's going to be a 1 2, and then we go backward, becomes 1, so it's a 1 2 1. Likewise, if we have 3 digits, 111, so we're going to go to 1 2 3 and then go backward 2 1. If we have 4 digits, likewise we're going to count 1 2 3 4, and then we're going to go backward, and likewise on these examples as well. Therefore, according to this rule, 111 times 111 is going to give us 1 2 3. We're going to stop here, and then we're going to go backward to 1. And now if we add these two big numbers, we are going to get this one inside this bracket, and then we are going to multiply by 2, and that is what we get. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be 18,024,642. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.